what's up? I look super tired because I'm really tired. I was about to take a shower. I just thought, why not record myself trying another mascara? Oh my god, I'm not sitting properly. I'm sitting on the floor, by the way. Yeah, I have a really weird habit, which is that I really like trying new mascara, especially Japanese drugstore mascaras. In the past, I tend to focus on the length. Now I want Leanani's volume. As you get older, you just become more greedy. Give me a break, I'm really tired. You know, finding a good mascara is like an impossible mission, just like finding a good man. And sometimes, well, most of the time, good mascaras appear more often. I don't know what I was talking about anyways. Just today, I'm gonna try this new mascara. It's a mood of being really tired but still want to try something. I normally will use 2 different kinds of mascara, sometimes 3 mascaras to give dramatic look. Volume and curl? You better be, please. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I remember like, even till this day, I sometimes exit. Okay, it just happened. I'm just so tired. And my voice got deeper, I don't know why. My voice, you know, because when I am energetic, I talk like this. Yeah, it's annoying. Here we are, the first coat. I like the sound. I really hate mascara with big brush. And who, you see? Hey, face. You sure it's about the volume? I think it's the length, right? I kind of like it. As I said before, I used to use at least 2 different mascara. It's like my first coat and second coat, I will always use a length mascara. Third and fourth coat, I will use volume mascara. But this one, I kind of like it. Wow, do you like it? The texture, it's thin and a little bit dry. Not wet enough, but not that dry. I have to smell. Just mascara, yeah. Ooh, I like it. Ooh. Sometimes when I search the reviews on internet about the mascara, I really hate people having really beautiful and evident eyeshadow or wings. I don't know if it's just me. I can't just look into the mascara. I'll just get distracted. Ugh. If you see shadow here, it's because of my mirror, okay? I'm going to do my bottom eyelashes. Can I do this off the camera? Because I can see. The mirror is too far away. I can see. Ooh. Hello? My new love? Hello? It's me. Now I'm gonna do my left eye of the camera and I'll show you the results. Hey! What do you think? I'm not sure if it's waterproof. It's not. It's like you can remove it by warm water. Stay for all day long. I doubt it. Now I'm going to use some eye drops to try if I cry like a bit. It must look stupid when I try this, but oh my god, it's so hot. Why? Oh, am I gonna die? No. Oh, I look great when I cry. Will you love me? Please, somebody, please God, send me a good man. Okay, well, if I'm just having a tea time, afternoon tea with my best friend, I will wear this mascara. Also, when the weather is great, if the weather is too hot, ew, it sticks together. You see, it will fall apart. So don't cry with this mascara. But I think it has the ability to hold, maybe, let me look into the mirror to think. When your tears start to fall down like crazily, it will hold for 10 minutes. This is a weird video here. I know.